Assalamualaikum and hello, and welcome back to our second part of conducting your course outcome survey. Once you already have creating your questions, so here is basically where the layout. Alright, so they add questions. So now you already have 3 questions. And then templates, so the next columns there on the next tab is the templates. If you have any specific templates, you can add by import or export questions. But these will explain for other sessions. For analysis, alright, these examples once your students already entered their marks or response for each question. So right now, at this moment, you can submit the answers, only one submitted answers received. And there are 3 questions we set up early on. So this shows response, rate skills, show chart data, how many answering the questions, if you can see that the system already have auto-generate average calculations. By then, you'll be able to describe or even doing analysis for each questions. And for another tab for course outcome survey here, show responses. Here, assuming that I'm a student, I'm from group section 1, 2, and 3. I completed the course outcome survey and these are my answers. And let's see how many students are not. Let's say only 1 student, so there is no responding students. So by using these feedback activities, you'll be able to monitor your students' feedback, your students' participation in class. And also, it's really essential for you to use this answering by doing analysis. And you can look at their response. So sometimes, right now, you may want to see how the students view your course outcome survey. Go to user profiles and switch role to student. Okay, since I am the students, here double check, I'm a student here. So I'm not be able to view the reports, only the lectures. Right now, your role as a student. Going to the dashboard again. If you notice that just now, you already add course outcome survey for your subjects. Here, I managed to complete, assuming I'm students right now, I complete all the tasks given for the specific subjects. Here is course outcome survey, which is I already complete. And this small square buttons here is basically how I progress for each task already given for the specific subjects. And here by clicking this one, I know that all these activities are done and complete, and probably I already submit the assignments. So for the lecturers, you can look into this topic and then add more assignments or assessment. The students are able to see that how much they progress for the specific module or subjects. Now going back to your normal role. If you notice just now, when I'm explaining for the part 1, which is you identify the restricted access for the specific sections, for those who are in the team teaching, this is how it appears for students. Restricted not available unless you belong to section 1, 2, or 3. That means if your students is in these groups, so they can answer the questions. For other sections, this question is not available for them. Hopefully, on these course outcome survey sessions were really helpful on how you want to demonstrate or how you want to create questions and put on your LMS. To return back to your dashboard, on the main page, you click the LMS. Hope these sessions will help you on how you want to do course outcome survey. Thank you.